Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get trial reels option on Instagram. So the trial reels option is the new feature on Instagram that helps you to test your videos with unknown people online. The first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram account and also make sure your Instagram account has been updated. Click on your profile and click on those three horizontal line above your screen. So once you click there, scroll down to account tools. Account type and tools, right? But I can't seem to find mine here. So let's calmly look for it. Account type and tools. Okay. So I think the reason why is because I've not been verified, Meta verified. So you have to go to the verification of Meta verified and make sure your account is creator standard or business standard. So once you go through all that process and you do all the things required, then you go ahead to install the Edit app for you to also use, and from there once you upload the video from your Edit app and about to post to your Instagram, you're going to scroll down to see the trial reels option right there. So if you can't see your own, you have to wait for 24 hours and try again once again. So that's actually how to get the trial reels option on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more episodes like this. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye.